We are on our way to Nandi Hills and it is drizzling with a beautiful weather. Yes. And here we are negotiating a hairpin curve and there we go. A great rejuvenation after the pandemic. We are enjoying our day out. Mother Nature completely wet with the fresh rains. A beautiful experience, friends. Hope I'm able to capture the mist properly. This place looks heavenly today. There are only a few vehicles here and there. There is the grand entrance into the Nandi Hills. We may not be able to get down, but still we have enjoyed the drive. And look at that! Wow, simply superb! This is how our beautiful Nandi looks. This is the mist-covered Nandi Hills. We can hardly see the road. Completely covered in mist. It's very foggy. This is the view of Nandi Hills. The top fully covered with mist. It appears as if we are in a different world altogether. The mist covering the entire place. We are not even able to see the steps here. Hence it is a little scary. I don't think it is very safe here. But still, just for the sake of some photographs and videography, we came here all the way. We did not worry much about the rain. Hi friends, this is Suvarna Keshav welcoming you all to Suvarna's Hobby World. And here we are on a trip to Nandi Hills. It's rainy today and we see a lot of mist all around. It is a very picturesque scenery here and we are enjoying the weather. And here we are climbing the steps. Here are a few steps. We are climbing them to go to the other side. And this is one of the parks here on top of Nandi Hills with lots of flowers, beautiful yellow flowers. And this is the Mayura Pine Top restaurant on top of Nandi Hills. And this is the misty, foggy, picturesque scenery around. And this is a no plastic zone. We cannot use any plastics here. And this is the view from one of the watchtowers, and this is the bird's eye view of the villages and places below Nandi Hills. We can also see the clouds moving slowly. And the mist is covering the whole place once again. Just for a few minutes we could see the places, and now it is slowly getting covered by the blanket of mist and clouds. There's a little sunlight now, so all the places are looking picture perfect now. This is the view from Depot Drop. So bye friends, it's time to get back. Hope you have all liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Suvarna's Hobby World. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.